আসসালামু আলাইকুম ভিউয়ার্স, আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আমি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো আছি। তো আজকে আপনাদের সাথে যে বিষয়টি নিয়ে কথা বলবো সেটা হচ্ছে জি ক্যাশ। জি ক্যাশটা হচ্ছে কিভাবে আপনারা আমেরিকা ইউএসএ থেকে জি ক্যাশ সম্বন্ধে একটি ধারণা পাবেন, সেই বিষয়ে আজকে আপনাদেরকে ধারণা দেব। তো চলুন শুরু করা যাক। মূল ভিডিও শুরু করার আগে আপনাদের কাছে আমার একটি রিকোয়েস্ট থাকবে, চ্যানেলটাকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিবেন, পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিতে ক্লিক করে দিবেন। So let's get started. I'm going to talk with you Investopedia. US saving bond. A US saving bond is a government bond and the official fixed rate in the interest over a fixed period of time. Read more. To term of the day. Information and make smart financial decision. Sign up now. So first of all, they talk about a absolutely advantage according equation rate of return, acid test ratio, acquisition advertised selection after hours trending. What this means is investing with example, right? Angel investor definition and how it works. Assessed manager, according rate to return, amortization, annual percentage rate, assessed turnover ratio definition. Acid test ratio, American dream, efficient intelligence, automated teller machine, after hours trending, analysis of varying artificial intelligence assessed. B balanced scored balance sheet, verifying mode beta, bank definition number, bankruptcy bias, thermal bear market. Bowling brand bond, break even analytics, Brexit budget deficit. Bull market business cycle, business ethics, business model, business to consumer, business valuation. C capital assessed principal model, character, financial analysis, comparative advantage, correlation, capital expenditure, capitalism, central limit theorem, collateral command economy, comparative advance, compound annual growth rate, compound interest, conceit theory, consumer price index, contribution margin, correlation certificate, cost of goods sold, creative destruction, credit default swap, current ratio, customer service. Days payable outstanding, days sales outstanding, debentor, debit ratio, debit service coverage ratio, different compensation, delivered at place, delivery duty paid, delivery duty unpaid, demand, domination, determined, duration, distribution, discounted rate, dividend payout ratio, dividend yield, Dow Jones Industrial Average. Earnest money, earning before interest and taxes, economic mode, enterprise value is grow, earning before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization, economics of scale, employed stocks, ownership plan, underweight found, enterprise resource planning, enterprise value is grow, entrepreneur, and European Union Inventional Protection Agency. EX dividend, exchange rate, earning per share, EBITDA and down fund, enterprise resource planning, equity, externality. Fund shocks, Federal Housing Administration, financial institution, free carrier, factors of production, federal insurance contributions, financial technology, fintech, free on board, feasibility study, fiat money, facial policy, free trade, federal distribution insurance corporation, fiduciary, a fixed income, earning benefits corporation, a fixed income security futures, federal funds rate, finance for IPS, future. G. Game theory, gamma, grammarly accepted according principles. Goods and service tax, gross income, gamma. Goodwill, gross margin, general arrangements on traffics and trade. Geometric mean, government bond, gross profit, general data protection, given odds, government shutdown, gross profit margin, general leader, Gini index, jet dispersion, generator. Ace, hard skill, hits found. Hold harmless clauses, horizontal ingression, harmonic mean, Harfindial increments index, holding company, hostile takeover. Head and shoulders pattern, health maintenance organization, SOMS, heteroscopity, homeowners association, human capital, health savings account is as a high net worth individual, homeowners association free, hurdle rate, hyperinstink testing, income statement, indemnity, industrial revolution, inferior code, inflammation, insurance premium, interest coverage ratio, interest rate, international monetary fund, indemnity, inflammation, interest rate, professional skills, identity insurance, index fund. Internal revenue service, inverted valid grave, individual retirement account, insurance, international financial reporting standards, irrevocable trust. See complete list of terms. J. Curve, joint and several liability, Joseph's contract, junk bond, January effect, joint probability journal, Joris Doctor, Japanese government bond, joint stock company, joint travels with right of serviceship, just in case, Jane's measure, joint valuable, Thamposidi. তো ভিউয়ার্স, আজকে এই পর্যন্তই, আপনাদেরকে জিক্যাশ নিয়ে কিছু ধারণা দিলাম। তো ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন, পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিতে ক্লিক করে দিবেন। আবার আপনাদের কাছে আমার রিকোয়েস্টে থাকলো, সাথে থাকার জন্য ধন্যবাদ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।